So guys, I think it's about 11:30 in the morning. We are now in Cherbourg, as you can see. Over this way is the docks for the boats. You can see a load of motorhomes over there. There's more over here. There's like an air where you can park for free, but every pensioner I think in France is living there, so you can't park there. So you gotta find places like this. Me here, caravan there, and there. It's a park for night spot, but it's okay. So guys, like I said earlier, just arrived into Cherbourg. Van seems fine, apart from the ADBLUE light on the engine light. It went out, but I'm sure there's codes stored on the computer so they can check it out when it goes to Peugeot on Friday. So I'm taking Missy for her walk. Tomorrow we'll stay here for the night. Tomorrow I get the 5 o'clock sailing on Irish ferries on the WH Yeats, it's called. Got a 2-berth cabin there. The dog has actually got his own cabin, well, kennel. It was €35. We go down and get her and take her for a walk. There's like a walk area apparently on the boat, and it better be good, because if I don't like it, I won't be going by Irish ferries again. Alright, Missy, you're more important. So we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, I will catch y'all later. Cheers. Morning guys, it is 12 o'clock Wednesday morning, the 25th September. Anyway, the boat's delayed, so probably we'll be getting about 7 o'clock tonight. But at the moment I am cooking some breakfast. I know it's a bit late, but I'm starving. Anyway, I'll catch you later guys. Get this breakfast going here before I burn it. Yeah. guys, I'm having quail's eggs. That goes here. Sausage and bacon. This is a French Ulster fry, guys. Quail eggs. 3 sausages and bacon. So guys, in Cherbourg, in the terminal, waiting in line here for the get through tickets, passport, security, all that good stuff. So we got the dog. She went over there and got her chip scanned, checked to make sure she had her worming tablets. Got the paperwork, just now stuck to the window, and I waiting to go through check-in here in a minute. And then passport, security, and then the waiting line. The boat's still not in yet. It's like a 4 to 5 hour delay, thanks to some kind of storm out in the Atlantic there. And then we'll be on the boat, probably sails off now about 9 o'clock. It is 4 o'clock now. Alright guys, catch y'all later. Cheers.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, done with my own doubts.
Guys, on WB Yeates, heading to Dublin. Supposed to take off, supposed to sail off at 5 o'clock, but due to the storm, 9 o'clock tonight. I will be in at around about 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. I'll show you more on the boat later. At the minute I'm going to check out, get something to eat. So I'll see you all later, guys. Cheers.
Enough?
Yeah.
You take off the packaging too.
Want a rib or try wing?
Yeah. Just stick it there. Okay.
You go to the man, no, there was my fault. I'm more an answer, I really finished.
So guys, I got a portion of ribs. Well, 2 portions of ribs. A portion of chicken wings, which I've just eaten. And I don't know if you can see it. I kind of eat blueberry cheesecake thing. French fries, beef and Guinness pie with French fries, Red Bull, a lemonade, 2 coffees, and came to £13 or €13. All because the ship is late, 4 hours. Big deal, but Irish Ferries. Let's see, take care of you here on this one. I'll get stuck in when I eat French fries.
Bon appetit.
See where the pink goes? Oh no, chipped off there. So guys, outside, stand-up boat is right over here if you can see it. Probably not in the lights, it's so dark. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring you down later to see Missy and the kennels. I'm going to check the kennels out and see how the kennels look. But the food was excellent. I'll talk about it later. Alright, we'll get in where it's a bit warmer. guys, this is the room. We got one bed. This will be into the bed here. Another bed up here. Another bed up there. We got a TV. This bed area here converts into a seat, as you can see. You got a area to sit, small seat. Toilet, shower. So it's not a bad wee cabin at all. This is for 2 people. That's what I booked it for. Not much, you can see the windows in that, pitch black. Alright guys, that's the room. Not bad, eh? Alright guys, I'll let you see Missy later. About 10 o'clock I'll go down to see the dog and we'll take a walk down there and check out the kennels and see what Irish Ferries kennels are like. Alright, but the meal was awesome, real good food. I had the ribs, I had some chicken wings on the side, French fries were brilliant, and had a wee dessert, real good. Alright guys, so thumbs up to Irish Ferries, and also they gave us a card because we were 4 hours late, which we didn't have to do. So the whole meal came to €13 for 2 of us. You know, I mean, can't beat that. The beef stew pie was the best as well. Alright guys, anyway, catch you there. Cheers. Hey Missy, how you doing? Yes.
Hey big girl.
You good girl?
Hey big girl. Hey big
And
girl.
this is the kennel.
Yes. No, wait. Wait.
Good.
Wait,
Good.
Yeah.
Dad, wait a second.
Guys, this is where we walk the dogs. Alright, not too bad. Water counts as well.
Present no. Serious problem.
Teraz mi zobaczysz.
Present stop.
Oh, Missy.
You good? Let's stand still.
Hi Missy. That's the kennels, guys. They're pretty nice kennels. Right. See you more. Bye Missy. So guys, that's the Innisfee Club Lounge. Pay €40 per person. Sitting there and quiet and get some snacks and coffee. But I don't know if it's worth it really, because it's a pretty big boat and you have your own cabin, so up to you to decide. So guys, on the WB Yeats, it is a stormy night. It's about UK time, 12:05. Had a walk around the boat there. We saw a few things. We saw the pets kennels, dog kennels. Saw how they walked them around. Saw the restaurant. The food was real good. For a ferry, it was pretty good. Well, I'd say really good. You got a lot to eat too for the money. 2 racks of ribs and fries, or freshly made fries. The beef stew was great, and the dessert was good. I can't say bad about the place, and I can't say bad either about the service. The service here was excellent. I'm trying to hold on to my camera here for a blow away. So all in all, I give them a good thumbs up, and I'm really pleased about the kennels. So what we'll do is, next time we're going to take Irish ferries again. Instead of driving down through Stena, down the FDS through Dover. It's a long ride. We'll take Irish ferries. So got a bit of a rough crossing. The boat was delayed, like I said, 4 or 5 hours. So instead of getting in tomorrow about 11 o'clock, getting in at 3 o'clock, the captain said. Supposedly, depends on the conditions. The boat's it's buffering around a good bit. The wind is crazy out there, and I got blown off my feet. And you know, like I'm a madman, shouldn't be actually running around here in a deck, because you never know what can happen out here. I found a wee place here sheltered in behind the chimney. Anyway guys, so I've covered most stuff in the boat. Well, we'll catch you all later. Cheers. Near blow away too there.